You just found the 2020 Nissan Altima. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, power driver seat, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.